Hey, it's Tim Black, Director of Retirement at Asset Strategy, and this week is National Retirement Security Week. So I thought I'd share a couple of thoughts with you about replacing your income when you retire and making sure you're on track to meeting that goal. First of all, what percent of your salary should you plan to replace when you retire? Many experts suggest replacing 80% of your final salary when you retire. Hey, but newsflash, there's no penalty for saving more than 80%. So how do you know if you're on track to saving enough in your retirement plan? According to research from T. Rowe Price, you can use these milestones. At age 30, you should have 0.5 times of your annual salary saved. At age 40, you should have 2 times your salary saved. At age 50, you should have 4.75 times your salary saved. At age 60, you should have 8.5 times of your salary saved. And finally, at age 65, hopefully that's your retirement age, you should have 10.5 times your salary saved. That's a lot of information. Please don't be discouraged if it's confusing or if you feel like you're not on track. That's where we're here to help. Reach out for help at any time. And this being National Retirement Security Week, now is as good a time as any to check in on your progress. That's it for now. Thank you.